Hello, human creatures. This is a video I've shown before, but right now I am sitting in Topanga Canyon with nature all around me. There's Nicolas Cage. He's gonna make a long shot basket. I'm waiting to perform after a wedding, after the bride and groom make their hello audience. I am to do my human jugglery for them. So I'm showing you this. This is the third stop of 3 private shows today. You too can have me come to your location if you dare. Goodbye, humans. I'm going to sleep well tonight. See you tomorrow.